All right, y'all, we're back, and today we're not really going for the bright, fun colors of Halloween or the deep, dark colors of Thanksgiving, but we're gonna go for the neutral colors for just a fall pumpkin cake. So follow along, and I'll show you just how to do it. I have shown y'all how to crumb coat before, and if you don't know, check out that video below, but I have already done that to my cake, and I'm gonna go ahead and just ice it as usual with my buttercream, starting with the top and then going down the bottom. So y'all see a lot of bright colored and poppy cakes on my channel, but this cake is right up my alley. I love the more neutral, kind of feminine colors. So we're gonna make this cake just the style I love for a little fall treat. And then I'm gonna go back with my bench scraper and just straighten everything out, filling in the spots that need it. And then once my cake is all straightened out, I'm just gonna go back with my spatula, starting at the bottom and moving my way up, turning my turntable until I get all the way up to the top of my cake. And I have this cute little pattern that goes all the way up my cake. I have 3 different shades of pink in a 1M piping bag, and I'm just gonna pipe little pumpkins around the side. So to start with my lightest color, I'm gonna make a little half circle coming up, losing pressure and pulling away. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, coming up, losing pressure and pulling away. And then I'm gonna do the same thing in the middle, coming up and letting go. And you have a really cute little pumpkin. And I'm just gonna do this all the way around my cake with all different colors. And I'm going to do different sizes and shapes. So some will be smaller, some will be bigger, some will be tall and short. All different, makes it really cute. So I'm just gonna finish this and then we'll come back for the final touches. How cute. Okay, the last of my pumpkins are piped, so now I'm gonna do the stem. I am gonna go at the top of my pumpkin, and some of them, again, are gonna be different. So for the first one, I'm just gonna start in the middle and do a little squiggle on top. Some I'll do long and skinny. It doesn't matter, just have fun. You want them to look different, but do the top of every single one, and then we'll come back. I'm just gonna finish off the top with a pink border. So I have the same tip I used with my pumpkins. I picked my favorite side of the cake, and so right here is my favorite side. So I'm gonna start kind of to the left of my cake in the back, and I'm just gonna do little circles all the way around. Then I have a really cute border on top. And for the last final touch, I just have a few different colored sprinkles here, all different shades of pink with some white and then a few gold that I am gonna sprinkle around the top of my cake. This is definitely my favorite fall cake yet. I love the colors. I think it even matches my apron, which y'all can get on my website. So go check that out. But until then, like and subscribe so I know you're enjoying these videos and we can change the world one cake at a time. Bye!